Hello everyone, welcome to this not NFP, this New York Live. Welcome everyone, hope that you are fantastic today. I hope that you, as everyone else today, you are ready for everything that Mark is going to throw at you. And I can see, Jonas, you are fear of missing out at gold. I do apologize, we shall go through that, but before that we are going to say that trading forex or any markets, financial markets, are risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever you have done in the past doesn't necessarily need to happen in the future. So if you're here to learn more, I'm here to teach you. So hope you're having a fantastic day. Other than that, welcome. My name is Eivindfx, forex trader for 8 years now, or whatever, investor for all those years as well. Or I have fighted myself through life, and I'm here to try to help you becoming a bit of a better trader than you probably weren't yesterday. So if you have anyone who's new to this world, please bring them in. I will be happy to accommodate anyone that is new to this world, and I will do my absolute best, okay? I will do my absolute best. So Jonas is here, Siva is here, William is here. So if somebody can tell me if Harold, and you can see Harold in the comments, whenever he comes, I will show you guys something. So I guess he will join in soon. So if Harold is in the chat, please tell me. Hello Hope, welcome. No, long time no see. Ojo, good morning, and Pip Finders. Oh yeah. Let's go through the markets, I guess. Oh yeah. I don't know, where do we start even, people? Where do we even start? Everything is great. There's no stop losses on my side yet, so you know I'm pretty happy, to be honest. I'm just gonna find my YouTube on my phone, so you know we can all listen to it together. Just make sure that I also have your chat with me, that's all. Nothing wrong with that, I guess, but good. There we go. And then we're supposed to find my own YouTube live, but apparently not. Couldn't find it, so we need to go into that chat. There we go. Good. Okay, cool. 15 people right now. Jiris, hello. Lolly, hello. Marco, hello. So, what's happening today? What's like the key takeaways in the beginning? So, the beginning, first of all, dollar strength. I want that. I can see that sometimes I like it's been falling today, but rising today. That's one thing. Dollar strength is what I want. The next thing on the book was that Mr. Australia mate, had a trade balance earlier today, and it came out at 9,424 million instead of 10,600, which is less than expected, which makes Aussie weak today. So so that's one thing. But the major thing today is, if I can just zoom in, and I can zoom. Here we have Fed Chair Powell testifies in front of Congress at, I think it's 4 p.m. So I think it's in 2 hours. And then I'm just going to put that to automatically, and that's going to set my time to that correct time. So that's going to be in 2 hours. So that's going to move the market, and I think that's what happened today. That people were pulling the market down on dollar so we can get back up again. Okay. That's kind of what I wanted. That's what I kind of saw. And I had a Zoom meeting earlier today. I don't know if anyone saw it, but I wore. Okay, cool. Just Nixon and stuff. So you can actually see it here. Here's the link here. I'm supposed to take it away, but you know, if you were there at around 9:40 a.m., I hope that I helped you out. You had fun, and I was there to help you. That would be great. That is kind of what I did. And I told Harold yesterday I was going to do it if I only were able to get up in the morning, and I was able to get up in the morning. But living in Norway, living in Kenya is two different things. In Kenya, I can just wake up and I can just go straight to the market. Here in Norway, it's a whole other scenario. It's a lot of things to be done before you can even click the record button. So it took me some time. I do apologize for not being there on the open, but I will try again tomorrow. So if Harold pops by, please tell me. I'm going to show him something. So yeah, that's all. So just because it's an internal joke, basically. But yeah, so that's all. Aussie comes up, gives you a second time to enter the market. Did you take it? Did you not? That is kind of up to you. I don't know if you did. I don't know if you don't. But that's basically what I would. That's what I would expect of you if I was. Hello, Denise. Yes. That's what I would expect you to do if you didn't get. If you already had a sell in that area, I wouldn't expect you to sell it again. But that's kind of where you are supposed to be selling. If you don't understand how that works, then we need to do a one-to-one, and we need to work together on that. So basically, I will tell you to work on your what do you call it? Work on your technical analysis. Okay, cool. Euro came up again for another sell. I'm not expecting you to sell that one. I'm not expecting you to do it, but it did. I did come back up. So what do we do now? Well, right now we're just hoping for this to fall, more than anything else, basically. So right now I just hope that we can get some good fall on euros. So we can start selling it again, because right now I'm tired of being in this cell. I'm tired of being in this cell, and it's my patience. I want this to trend, so we can go down, sell, so we can get some profits here. But other than that, it is all good, So if you are in this market, I'm just gonna say if we are in a range. We haven't broken out. Hope it can go down to maybe 110. I'm not expecting parity yet, but oops, that was that thing there. Oh, it's white. Okay, that's why. So back down to 111 or 110, which would be great. But hopefully we shall see how far we can go. Okay, 111 or 110, so somewhere around here. So are you still holding your USD? Absolutely, just someone. I'm absolutely holding it, and I am nowhere close to being any shook and shaken about anything. So yeah, that is a great question, and I really love that you can boost my confidence, because I'm still here, I'm still in it, and I have absolutely no problem about it. William says pound yen USD CAD. Kibet says hello, and that's probably most everyone on the list that's contacted me. So good. Tito says hello. So yeah, Aussie still holding my sell here. Euro still holding my sell here. Okay. Oops. Somebody forgot to tell me that I need to button my shirt. I need to look proper today. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna strangle. I don't like strangling, so. Any JPYs you're holding? Not at the moment. Abaz! Just woke up. Good. Good morning. Good morning, my love. How are you today? Are you well? Good morning, Abaz. So, that's kind of that. Just gonna brace under the blanket. Yeah, what's up, boys? So, I'm personally not holding any yen pairs at the moment. Mr. Harold is holding yen pairs, so we should talk to him about that. Fancy Tom says, hello, I'm looking for Euro Pound longs on that weekly channel floor. Harold! Yes! Harold is here! Yay! Harold, I have some news for you. Are you ready? Do you know? I don't know. I'm just going to give you a Christian reference now. Okay? Are you ready? God said, "There shall be light." Yeah. So for those who doesn't understand this, me and Harold, we had a Zoom meet. Well, not me, but everyone who was in my Discord channel was given the link yesterday, and I told him that I had gone to the store to buy myself a ring light. And what did you call me? Did you call me prima donna? So I think that is it the strongest? Yeah, okay, that's the strongest one. So, if I'd I've been properly become a YouTuber now. Why am I princess? Yeah, why am I laughing? Well, because I find that funny. Because you have to have self. What do you call it? Self. I'm not too high on myself. I know that I'm just here for fun, and I'm trying to give you content. And sometimes that when somebody calls you prima donna or calls you princess just because you bought a ring light, it costed a bit of it costed some money. But I have to spend my profits on something. But yeah, so I found one that has a footing underneath the table that I am sitting on. So it's great. I'm actually loving it. Yeah, and I've been bitching and complaining about being dark in Norway. I have my own light now. I can just wake up in the morning to. Where is that emoji? There it is. Andy, there it is. I got something in my eye. I'm sorry for lack of content right now, but I got something in my eye. Okay, we can't get it out now. Can you see anything? Sorry. I need a baseball cap. Yeah, I need someone. Okay, let's go back to that one, and I need to see. Can you see anything here? Like, it really annoys me. As you can see, I'm crying. But is there anything there? It's very red compared to, well, still red that one too, but yeah, it's supposed to be white. I'm used to the camera as a reflection. I'm sorry for content. Okay, let's go back. Yo, people, wishing you all a great new year. Crypto miner! Welcome very much. Yeah, new sunglasses now. Yeah, I just need to take it on a bit. Cool. So, where are we now? Aussie, I mentioned. Downtown. Euro, coming a bit up again. And do we need to wash it out? I don't know. Euro is stuck. Pound. Pound. Made a new high today. 136. Okay. I said yesterday, or whatever that day was, I said that was the buy zone. That was yesterday in the live on A1 trading. I said that was the buy price, and the candle was red and not green, so it went back up again. Woohoo! So you have been some kind of profit, 70 pips in profit. I would expect you to be break even on this buy here. Other than that, nothing has changed. It's not bearish. It's still bullish. It's still tilted to the upside. But it can come crashing down though. That's why you have to be break even right now. Okay. Good. So, Feisty, yes, I know that you mentioned Euro Pound, and I must say I don't get a request too often on Euro Pound. I get a request on Euro Pound to sell it yesterday or whatever that day was. That is the only way you can do right now. So right now, you're hoping for longs. That's a very interesting expectation because we are in a very bearish trend to the downside here. So you are let me not boop you up. Let me say something that will make you understand what I mean. Right now, it is okay to expect Euro Pound to go higher, but you need to break those highs here first before you can even think about buying it. Right now, it's not a sell. It's not a sell. You can't. Sorry, it's not a buy right now. You can't buy it right now. If you buy it right now, I'm gonna kick your ass. Okay? There's no sells here. So right now, straightforward. That's my best advice right now is to wait. Okay? Not giving advice whatsoever. If you want to buy it, cool, have fun with it. But if you are my student and I'm gonna treat you like my employee for my firm, that we are doing trading together, I will put you on hold if you buy this one. If you sold your pound, great. That is the only thing you're allowed to do right now. So why are you not buying any yen pairs right now? Because I'm expecting yen pairs to fall. So yeah. But Harold is buying, so he's buying for me. So he's taking the low. He's taking the blame there. He's taking the low there. I went long on GU when I saw the double bottom on the 1 hour. Okay, cool. Thoughts on pound cat? 135.42 was my entry on GU. Okay, since you are a YouTube member of mine, I will do that first before anything else. Before we go to New Zealand dollar, and it was 35.40. Yeah, good. Boom, great. That's how you trade, man. That's a good one. Bought SGG, JPY, USD, yen, and pound yen. Okay. Yep, nailed exactly as my markups. Good. Cool. So pound dollar is still, I would expect you to be break even right now, Denise, and we shall see how things goes. New Zealand dollar. I was a chicken this morning. So I didn't sell it. I should have. Lack of sleep is kind of daunting on me today, I guess. Not an excuse, but I become more defensive when I'm lack of sleep. That's identifying what makes me trade, not trade. So I should have sold it. Okay, but what if it goes higher? Then I will sell it again. So, so far so good, I guess. It is okay. It's not too bad. It's not terrible, but it's okay. So hopefully, because is that a break? Is that a daily sell maybe? Oh Lord Jesus! Oh Lord Jesus, that's a sell. I should have sold it. Okay. Oh well. More but expecting strong. Okay. Safe haven rebound. So what's the risk mood like? So let me go through the market and see what's risk mood like. Risk mood on S&P 500 is positive. It's risk on. Dollar is risk on. No, risk off. Sorry, I would say ish. Maybe not. Risk neutral. 10-year T-note is going higher. That is risk off. Aussie is risk off. Euro is risk whatever. New Zealand yen is risk off. Gold is it risk on even? Is that risk on? Oil is risk on. Bitcoin is risk off. So there is a lot of different, and then USSR is risk what? Off, on, sorry. So there's a lot of on and off depending on which assets you're looking at. So generally speaking, it's a mixed market, and it's kind of individually to what market you're in and which asset you're in. Asset is, like a EURUSD, for example. Depending on which asset you're in, it kind of depends how that current market is being priced in. So right now, as we stand today on our 2 feet, I hope you have 2 feet. If not, I'm sorry. We are in a mixed market, and I can see USDR was supposed to go higher yesterday, but nope. So I'm sorry about that one too. But dollar came low, challenged this low at 95.70. Went a bit higher after that, so I'm expecting this one to be the pricing in and then boom higher, but we shall never know. Beautiful Beyond says Vigilante, thank you very much. Oh, love for me. DXY at 95.60 is strong support level, yeah. Tell me about US 30 and NASDAQ. We shall do so. Jonas mentioned gold, and I will mention gold now, and I will mention it later on as well. So right now on gold, I made a trade plan yesterday about going higher and then coming back to support. We haven't done that yet, though we're coming into the markets right now, and we're coming into New York. So I'm just expecting this one to be like that. So that's what I hope for, at least on gold. I don't have too much FOMO here personally, because I know that is the only price I will buy, and if it doesn't do that, I don't care. Remember, we can fall way more than the small pullback I'm asking for, and we can fall way more than the pullback I'm asking for, so I'm asking for quite moderate pullback in the sense of gold. So we shall see if that still holds truth into the future. But other than that, I think we are good to go. And then we were golden. So that was Ojo has what risk market, more mood in the market, and it's kind of like depending, yeah, as I said, depending on which assets we are in. Someone are risk on, someone's risk off, and it's not very necessarily a risk mood that is driving the market at the moment. Sorry about that. Pound yen, USD CAD. By the way, I'm going through the chat right now. Just to see that to make sure that we all see the same thing. So, somebody bought pound yen yesterday, and I said, is it going to make a higher high or higher low? So let me do that analysis yet again. Okay, that is support here. You want to hold, it didn't hold. The next support is this one because of this high here, and breaking higher here, and then that becomes support, and you want it to hold, and then it didn't, and then you come back to plan B. Okay, now let's do that, and then let's do that. So does it break this top, or does it break that low? Okay, does it do that, or does it do that? That is the question that we all gonna ask ourselves. First of all, if you sold here, you're still in profit. If you bought here, you're still in profit. And now the market is going to give you what you want now, depending, are your theory correct? This does not have anything to do with your strategy, anything to do about you as a person, as a human being, as a trader, as anything. If you sold here or bought here, you have done your job. And now you just have to wait. Now, if you're a seller, I wouldn't sell until here. But if you sold up there, okay, I'm not going to stop you from that. So, now, I don't know what's going to happen next. The market will take over and decide. And it can also just range forever, by the way, because we're in a range. So, right now on pound yen, I'm like, okay, we are in a range, and I'm just going to see who is going to be the winner. Where is the market wanting to go? I don't know who, where, how, all of those things, but okay. So, USD CAD was requested by Denise, as far as I know, and also by William. Let me redo all my analysis. That is what I want to hold. I want price to hold that. Now we are seeing weakness. Weakness. I can't even spell weakness. I'm sorry. Let me start again. We see weakness in USD CAD. Okay. The other thing that also needs to be mentioned is that this can be a double bottom. I don't know if that's going to happen, but right now, as I sit here and look at it, I'm like, something happened at Central, weekly Central. That was definitely the sell they took. Okay, fair enough. That was the buyers took, and now it becomes, is it going to hold? I'm not going to take that chance as a buyer. I will now just exit as a buyer, and I will see if we are able to get it back up again. Okay, so this in my books are not what I want to see. It's an X for me. So if you have a sell here at around Central, Okay, good. Good on you. Good on you. And your target is kind of like 25.47. But if you are like me, you're expecting a bullish reaction soon. We are just gonna hold. We're just gonna wait. We don't have any confirmation right now. We don't have any turnarounds. We don't have anything that will say, well, look at that bullish trend. We don't have that. We have a bearish trend, even on the 50-minute time frame. So, good on that. Looks strong on support. I would say it's a weak support, and it can continue to fall, by all means. Guys, 50 people here and only 19 likes. Okay, I'm sorry. What else can we do? Should I shake my booty? Is that what you want to see? And yeah, you could see how much I make, by the way. $47. Wow, fantastic last month. Oosh. It's lucrative to being a YouTuber. So that's what we have right now. Thank you for everyone, 5,340 people who is subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. I love you guys. I love your family. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna say that's gonna cat is too strong at the moment. Speaking of CAD, I don't know why I put that one there, but yeah, okay, that's the buy price. Who asked for that? Was it James? Or was it Harold? Somebody asked about CAD yen, sorry. Maybe it was actually James. If I sent you that as a trade plan, maybe I can find it. That would be so funny. Yes, mate. Look at that. Wow. Open link, yes. Look at that. I sent that to James, who is sometimes in this live. I'm not gonna tell his name one more time. So that's me. As you can see here, up here in the corner, it says Eastcall. That is my trading view name. And I set down to 90, 80, and then up. Yeah. Hope you're in profit. Hope you're in profit, James. Hope you're in profit, James. That's a winner chicken dinner. And it only had 17 pips in loss. Boom. Oh yeah. Great. Great news. Cool. Harold says he bought it. Oh, sometimes it's just, well, it's just one trade, but sometimes it's lovely to hit them. Spot on, by the way, spot on. Lovely. So going through the market, Nasdaq is currently came down yesterday. I am expecting that to be a buy. I hope that you bought something that made it fall and then back up again, because institutions are still thinking this to be a buy and they still agree with themselves. So great. I know, was it Jonas who bought 46.15 or something like that? He bought like somewhere down here. Great entry. That's one of the ways of trading. Or the other one is if you buy today and because it's new high pullback kind of a thing. So that's kind of the two situations that you're going to go into of how you would enter the market. That's totally up to you, but I would say, Jonas, welcome to the club of buying dips on S&P 500, because that's tends to be the best strategy overall. And then 10-year T-note is still rising. That would also make dollar strong. That will make gold fall, I guess, generally speaking. Going to dollar index, we have some green candles coming out from 10 a.m. So this is now turning into be the London session. London session is turning out green for the dollar. Great. Depends what the American, the New Yorker is going to give us. But so far, at least, it's a small pullback, at least for the buy side. So any positivity for the buy side on dollar, I'm going to shout to the mountain top. Aussie dollar gave you another sell today. You almost got the same price as me, so very much welcome. That was your job. EURUSD hasn't given you any more sell setups. It gave you one there if you wanted to, but I wouldn't expect you to. Pound is still not bearish. New Zealand dollar gave you another sell. I didn't take it. Should have done, would have done, could have done. But yeah, that is another one. So it's Aussie, Euro, New Zealand, which is my hot topics today. Hot takes today. Pound, yen is kind of like towards the upside today. So if you bought it, congratulations. And if you're selling it, you shouldn't have sold it because it's not sellable yet. USD CAD is still bearish, so I'm just going to leave that alone because I wanted to be bullish. Aussie yen, yeah, want this one to come a bit higher, to sell it a bit higher. So maybe we can get up to M3 for the week and sell it. That probably would be a better idea. But yeah, CAD yen was also another one that we priced out. What was it? When was it? When did I post it? On market open. That is, yeah, that's market open. It says 9th of July 2222. That's when I post. That's before market open. Actually, that's here. I posted that link. So great buy. Euro yen. Ooh, okay, that is interesting. I like this. This is what I like. So Euro yen, I can mess around about this one, but this makes me itchy to sell it. This makes me itchy to. Hello, John Anderson. How are you, sir? Silver. We will do silver. Don't worry. So Euro yen right now is. So what am I looking at? Someone's always asking that. So I will just give it to you. I'm currently looking at AU, EU, NU, Aussie yen, New Zealand yen, and Euro yen. Those are is it 6 pairs? And we had a low here. It's not necessarily bearish. Sorry, it's not necessarily bearish, but that becomes an AA sell. So if we turn lower now, oh my lord, I will be happy. But you have to turn lower. So right now it's a bullish trend. I'm not going to sell it right now, but I would love to. But I can't because I need to restrain myself. And if it does go higher, I will look like a stupid anyway. So coming up to sells. That's what it does. All good, thank you. Hope all is well with you. Yeah, I'm good. I'm better. I'm happy. Yeah. I was supposed to ask somebody yesterday. I forgot to do that, but I know Farid some time ago asked if there was anything that I would give away for free. If I give things away for free, and I'm like, dude. Have you asked me? What's your email address? And I can give you a daily setup for a month. That would be great. So you can come back to the YouTube channel and see how, and tell them how good I am. I don't know where you went, Farid, but if there's somebody else who wants, I don't know, $50 in some kind of giveaway or something, I don't want to do that, but I can give away daily setups, and normally within the first week, people are able to pay back. That's what I've heard. If there's somebody with else different story, come and tell me. But there's people that has stayed with me since I started up with daily setups. So and yesterday was brilliant. I would say. I think yesterday was fun. But I am. Aussie CAD seems to have broken resistance. You already gave your time. I know I give away a lot, Harold. But, and yeah, it's $30 a month. For some it's too much, but just trying to give away to the community. Even this thing is free, by the way, for you people. Okay, cool. Silver. Tell me, Goose. Siva, tell me. You have been here for quite some time now. I know I'm gonna ask you those questions. Which direction Do you have any trade plans? Do you have any trade plans to show me? Talk to me, Goose. What do you see? Why do you mention silver? And then I'm not telling you guys to come to me with trade plans and charts, but I will encourage you from the bottom of my potato, which because that's the lowest part right now. From the bottom of my heart, please give me trade plans. I want to watch them, and I'm not going to slaughter you. And probably the first time you tried it anyways, and it's probably going to be on YouTube forever. But if you never try, you will never succeed. If you never try, you will never succeed. If you never fail, will you ever succeed? I don't know. But I've failed so much in time. That's at least from truth from me. Failure makes me better. No matter how much it hurts in the moment, later on it was like, I'm so glad I did it. And that's what people use against me when they talk about skydiving and bungee jumping, even though I've seen people die of that. And somebody ended up in a river in Tanzania because the rope broke. But yeah, this is not as dangerous as that. And I will do Aussie Cat in a minute. Sell silver? What are you drinking? Today it is. Oops, sorry. Today it is. I can't show you, can I? And without spelling it, coffee with something good in it, something extra. And then I have Pepsi Max. That's what I have. Would you sell it? Yeah, it's bearish. I would agree. So if you want to sell it, great. Have fun with that. But Theo was supposed to answer, and he didn't answer his own question. So I'm just going to leave it until Siva does actually come back and say something about it, because he's supposed to. I need accountability here, people. You're naughty. You're very naughty. No, it is nothing. It is nothing alcoholic. Don't worry, I'm not drunk. Wait. That was my attempt on Goofy. How's upcoming Fed news strengthening weekend dollar? Strengthening. Aussie Cat, yeah. So I agree on selling silver. I agree on that, technically at least. Yeah. I'm not gonna turn into, what is he called? He's called Harold, help me, the guy that has all the offensive jokes. Jimmy Carr. No, wait, it's not in. It's not out. It's in. Anyways, Jimmy Carr on YouTube if you want to listen to his laugh. Anyways, yeah, Aussie Cat has fallen below now, and that is great. That would then make you tomorrow or next time, whatever, you're allowed to sell that as your plan A, and then your plan B is kind of up here. For anyone who's watching me, am I getting a tan now? I feel like I'm in the sun, you know. I'm glowing. Goofy. Pal's gonna talk though, and he wants, because he wants the Senate to vote him in. Well, I guess, yeah. But also he's going to testify in Congress or talk in Congress. So that's definitely going to be interesting in terms of dollar movement. And he moved the market last time he was there. So I'm not going to take any chances. If he say anything about the future, well, which was that he's expected to do, I'm not going to sit quiet in the boat. It's going to be rocky. All right, it's going to be fun. Oh yeah, okay. I'm okay. I was wondering what's the news wrap on dollar American session already. Okay, cool. So good. We can continue. Use the yen. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Jesus have mercy. Lord Jesus. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Are you back in profit on UCN, Harold? Pira. New name for this channel, the Quirky Trader. I mean, this is the best way. I mean, this is in the best way possible. Am I quirky? I don't know. You weren't there, Peter, I guess, but somebody on A1 Trading, I was live yesterday there. Somebody called me. Somebody was. What did they say? This laughing thing is quite weird, or something in that direction. So me laughing is now weird. So from tomorrow, I will not laugh. I will stop laughing. Ha ha ha. But I have to laugh today because I can't. But yeah, it's a good one. Good quirky trader, maybe, yeah. William bought USD yen. Still waiting for you, Harold. Talk to me, Gibbs. Did you buy it? Because I remember you said you bought it. I don't know if it took you out. Well, no, you should actually be in this one. Actually, you actually should be still in it. And if somebody has, like, what do you call it? If someone has mental health issues, like they're sad, well, I guess you can still watch me and still be sad afterwards. I'm sorry about that, but you know, if life is tough, life is difficult, I hope I bring you a smile. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I'm being serious now. I hope that if there's anybody that's going through a rough time, through trading, through whatever, I hope I bring smiles on your face. It's not a goal. It's not like I'm measuring every time, like, what if was someone laughing today? But I hope that with my presence and some of the reasons why you are here is because it makes your day a bit better. I hope that I am not too much over the place because that's kind of one of my characters. But I hope that I give you peace. I give you strength to believe in yourself, and that your whatever your thinking process is either wrong, but if it's wrong, I will smoothly guide you over to the right side of things. And I also hope that you're learning something. That's kind of my goal every time, even though I talk a lot of nonsense sometimes. Okay, thank you. Denise, I'm not saying I will stop. I'm saying that because I will never stop laughing. But to be honest with you, Denise, and with everyone, I don't know why I'm so emotional today. I'm not supposed to be emotional. Get yourself together. You're a man. But being weird, being the weirdo, is a soft spot in my history. That is one of the things I was bullied for, so it hits me because I'm older now, but it still hits you. To be honest, it still hits you. So it's just, well, it's one person, and then it will take some time before you kind of shake that off. And I'm definitely trying to, but it does. A couple of days, it does shake you a bit, and then takes away your sleep, and then because it brings back memories, and I can't not remove that. It's a part of me. So yeah, it's a part of me. So if you bought USDN, for the love of God, keep it. If you sold it, and I think I said I wouldn't, but there we go. And it's very deep pullback on USDN. Whoopsie daisy. We have a very deep pullback here. And I said I don't know where it's going to turn around, and it turned around at M3. Okay, fair enough. whatever. But yeah, target is around 116.60. I wash my face and drink. Yeah, my also being also to be truthful, you guys. I don't need to share this stuff, but I want to. Being bullied for 13 years, it changes you. It does. It truly does. So being the weakest one in class, being the or physically the weakest, and being the one that everyone picks on, and you are the weirdo, and you're being called a weirdo, and all the other names in the world, and you're the reason why they beat you up, because literally beat you up because you are the weakest one. It is what it is. You know, still gonna be a part of me, and I can't change that. But I want to forget it, so let me not talk about it anymore. So yeah, use the to the upside. Hopefully, it's gonna be great. But it's oh, I've come from so far, and I'm so happy to have you guys. You know, being friendless is hard, so and being the one in the spotlight where everyone's looking for you, like, where are you? Where are you? Why are you not coming? Why are you not showing up? You know, it's something to get used to, and euro pound. Yeah, I can do euro pound. What are you thinking about it, Freddie? Where do you think it's gonna go? Is it up or is it down? Have you sold it? It's kind of okay. I don't know how to do Peter Griffin at the moment. No, I can't. No, I have to practice that. I'm not too good with that one. My plan is to sell silver after the big news today. Is it a bad term? No, not really. That's a good plan. That's good to turn around. That's good to turn you to a Musk too. But don't forget us poor people out there when you're a billionaire. I'm okay. Edwin says buy pound dollar at 35. 55, I can look at that. I'm your most annoying friend. I've never ever said that you're annoying. I really enjoy your inputs. I really enjoy inputs. Yeah, okay. Yeah, if somebody can just tell me at age 12 that life is gonna be how you make it to be. You choose yourself. You choose. How do you want to view the world? Is the world against you? That's the difference between a poor person mentality and a millionaire billionaire. Depends on how you view the world. Is everything around you a resource? Is YouTube a resource? Is the state a resource? Because in Norway they give away grants for whatever projects, or European Union gives away grants for whatever projects. American government gives away grants for whatever project. Or is everything against you? So I'm trying to choose the positives of the world. The market is not against you. The market is for you. You just have to understand it. And I'm trying to make you understand it as much as I can. Hi, Samson. I will look at pound dollar. No, BTC, sorry. So sold. Okay, good. Great. Great. Good, Freddy. Just keep it. Keep it there. It's a bit cold. Okay, so you bought at 35.50, which I said yesterday to do. No, I didn't tell you to do it. I said that could be the buy price that you should take if you're a buyer. We are coming down again now, but yeah, that is correct. You are a bit well. Thank you for mentioning that, Edwin, but Kello, but that was mentioned yesterday. So yeah. Thoughts on BTC? Hopefully it will go higher soon. It is bearish at the moment. Bearish. Okay, I can't even click this mouse even. Bearish at the moment. Need to make a higher high. Need to pull back, and then like that hasn't happened yet. So just waiting for that one to do that. So yeah, hopefully it could go higher. But I think technically still bearish. You can still fall more. And I think that going down to 40,000 is not done. Short term. But yeah. We all now view the world in double bottoms. We try to get back at the pullback for a better re-entry. Anytime you need a double entry, I'll give you one. Monik says, hi Evan, where can I check US inflation data tomorrow? I can't find it on Forex Factory. Okay. I go to FX Street, doesn't need to, but it's at around 2:30 my time, which is in 23 hours and 30 minutes. So almost 24 hours from now, but minus 30 minutes. So that is consumer price, and you need to look at X food and energy month of month or year over year. Those are the two important ones. Also, it says by red. Have we gained or have we not gained today? Okay, nothing. Same thing. So still family. Nobody has left, I would say. I guess we're still there. Oh, euro is falling. Okay, I thought it was down here, but I was my own tools. Yeah, right. Fun. You're very much welcome. So there you go. So somebody asked yesterday for where I found the heat map. I'm just gonna give the link because I'm allowed to give links here, and I'm not able to do that in A1 Trading. That's the heat map for those who want that I use. Okay. What else? We are coming in at 3 p.m. now, my time, which is around, is it 9 a.m. London? No, 9 a.m. New York. Nothing much has changed. We have gone a bit higher on euro. CAD is still trying to go higher. New Zealand yen is definitely not the same thing as yen pairs. And then New Zealand dollar is a good sell this today. Didn't take it, by the way, but who cares, teddy bears? And I am looking at a euro, Aussie, New Zealand, dollar, and yen pairs as my main thing to look forward to today. We are still going to be on. We're still gonna have the setups today. So if you want to be a part of that, that's totally up to you. But I'm at least gonna give the link. You don't need to, but if you want to, there's a link. There you go. And it's at 8:30 my time, so that is in 5 hours and 30 minutes from now. We're gonna set up trades for tomorrow, and they're working great. I think they're working great. So yeah. Thank you guys for joining in today. Hope that you are great people. Thank you for being here. 39 likes today. Okay, good. I hope that I gave you some news, some knowledge, some laughter, something, and yeah, I look like the sun. I look like the sunshine today. So have a great one.